Ever wondered where your money goes when you invest with StashAway? Or how it actually grows over time? Well, let's dive into the magical world of investing, StashAway style. First, let's break down a fundamental concept, compounding interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, picking up more snow as it goes. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows, and the faster it grows. How StashAway leverages technology. StashAway is a robo-advisor, which means it uses advanced algorithms to invest your money. This technology allows for diversification, spreading your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. Rebalancing, automatically adjusting your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level. Low-cost fees, keeping costs low, so more of your money works for you. The power of time in the market. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. The longer your money stays invested, the more potential it has to grow. StashAway makes long-term investing easy by auto-investing, setting up regular contributions to your investment portfolio. Hands-off investing, letting the algorithms do the work for you. A real-world example. Let's say you invest $100 per month for 10 years. With an average annual return of 8%, your investment could grow to over $18,000. That's the power of compounding interest and time. Risk tolerance and portfolio allocation. StashAway offers various investment plans to suit different risk profiles. Whether you're a risk-averse investor or a thrill seeker, there's a plan for you. Conservative plans prioritize capital preservation with lower risk investments. Moderate plans balance risk and reward with a mix of stocks and bonds. Aggressive plans maximize potential returns with higher risk, higher reward investments. The role of professional management. While technology plays a crucial role, StashAway is also backed by a team of experienced investment professionals. They monitor market trends, conduct thorough research, and make strategic decisions to optimize your portfolio. The bottom line. StashAway makes investing accessible and efficient. By combining technology, professional expertise, and the power of time, you can grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.